Good afternoon, guys. We started projects in the side of the house to do the diamond paving. In this area you can see behind me, we ordered some material for tomorrow. The first step was to find the line and the height, set it by the line. Then we try to clean up and take all organic matters, rubbishes and everything, leveling to the top. A slope coming from the beginning to front garden by the line, and we check the height. That was one day job, just to leveling, clean up and moving planting to the garden. And tomorrow we're gonna level it, final level by the road base, and then compacted by the compactor. Then we can start laying the pavers. Okay, leave it for now. Hopefully we don't have rain tomorrow. We can continue to laying road base and leveling. This is a paving sand, river sand. Okay, morning guys, this is the next level. We start to laying the road base, leveling by the line, a slope coming from the house slab, concrete slab to the side, and then from the top going out of the pathway. First we need to lay the road base, level it, then spray some water and do it compacted by the small compactor. Okay, I'm continuing the job and show you next step. So guys, we'll start laying the pavers. First set the line for the first diamond in the middle, and then we'll cut two going through that one. I will cover all the ground by this sand and cement mix to lay and glue the artificial turf on top of it. So guys, we lay the pavers, diamond pattern up to here. I want to show you how you can install the cut one half and one full one here. We leave it for now. We finish our material. We need to order more to complete this part. We change the pattern and it comes short in the order. The main things you have to follow it is a string line in the middle, following the slope from the top to the downside. And also will be line in the middle as a diamond shape, and then we set two line for the two full. Then we adjust the side line by the line level to level all three in one line and also in the other way. That way, checking the pavers this way and that way will be in the same size. I measure 10 centimeter space between the gaps, but there is not equal space from that side and the other part of the end Just we adjust to the size to looks good. So that's a sand and cement mix. I level it by the next one first, and then put the pavers, tap it, level it, check by the line, then the corner one. So guys, after installing all pavers as you like to the end, now I blow it, the rubbish, any leaves or the organic material between the pavers, blow up and make it clean. Then I'm using the liquid nail. That's a liquid nail for general purposes. Yeah, and then I cut the grass, artificial grass, and lay and glue to the concrete between all pavers. It's take time to complete and fill up all the space between the pavers. I measure it and then cut a roll, a line, then I glue it between and then fill up the other side. So guys, I cut all grass, artificial grass to size between the pavers, as you can see, and all fitted to the end. Now it's time to glue the artificial grass to the concrete under it. As you can see, I put dots by the liquid nail, then I match the sides and glue it, push it to stick and glue to the concrete under. Then I have to go through. That's a liquid nail for general works, but I'm sure it's take lots of. That's a $1. I bought it. I think need more. Then I'm going through all the way to finish the job. So we lay the turf, artificial turf,